After a busy day of exploring and enjoying delectable food, there's nothing better than coming back to your cabin to relax. And Discovery Princess definitely delivers when it comes to comfort. Hi, I'm Tiffany from Destination for Vacation. Thanks for joining me. Cabin 630 is a balcony cabin which is located on Deck 11, the Baja Deck. This stateroom has a fresh, modern feel that's both stylish and comfortable. You'll find soothing, natural tones, lots of blue, gray, and soft beige, paired with elegant, light wood accents that make the space feel open and calming. Every stateroom on board the ship features the Princess Luxury Bed, specially designed with a plush mattress, crisp linens, and soft pillows to help you get the best sleep at sea. The beds are designed in partnership with sleep experts, and you can absolutely tell it's the kind of bed that practically hugs you after a long day. Guests can choose to have the two beds combined into one queen or separated into two twins. With the option of pulling two additional beds down from the ceiling, this balcony cabin can sleep up to 4 people, but at only 222 square feet, it will feel a little tight, given there's no additional seating beyond the one chair in the vanity area. Each bed has its own nightstand and reading light with a USB charging outlet. Switches for the room's various lights are conveniently located bedside. There's also a motion sensor nightlight under each of the nightstands, which is convenient for those late-night calls to the bathroom. Next to the beds is a small vanity area, offering an additional 3 drawers of storage, as well as a comfortable chair. The room's only electrical outlets are also located here, 2 American and 2 European. Across from this is a minibar area with 3 storage shelves on the side. Our minibar was stocked with a full complimentary setup of liquor and soft drinks. But this was thanks to the friend I was traveling with. She has elite status with Princess, and a full minibar setup is one of the perks at that level. After seeing this, I plan on cruising with this friend on Princess much more often. A good-sized flat-screen TV completes the cabin setup. Large sliding glass doors bring in lots of natural light. Stepping out onto the balcony, you'll see 2 chairs accompanied by a small side table, perfect for morning coffee, sunset drinks, or just relaxing with a book while admiring the stunning ocean vistas. The cabin's main storage area is located near the stateroom's entrance, across from the bathroom. This open closet, with a long shelf on top, provides plenty of space for hanging clothes and storing your various suitcases. Nearby, there's also a separate cabinet with shelving to store your toiletries, clothes, and pretty much anything to grab and go. And there's a small mini safe for storing your valuables. The bathroom is very compact. It's probably the smallest bathroom I've ever had on a balcony cabin on a cruise ship. But for 2 people, it worked just fine. The vanity area is well lit, and it offers 3 glass shelves for storage. A long shelf is provided under the sink for additional storage. The complimentary Beekman 1802 hand wash and lotion filled the space with a pleasing scent whenever they were used. Near the shower, there was 1 double towel bar as well as a single towel bar. The shower space is pretty tiny for a balcony cabin, which may be why a shower curtain is used instead of a glass door. Water pressure and temperature were just fine. I would gladly book a balcony cabin on board Discovery Princess again, but if I were traveling with my family and had more than 2 people in my party, I think it's definitely worth paying the extra money to upgrade to more space in a mini suite, if your budget allows, as this stateroom is definitely on the smaller side. But I do think that this cabin is well designed to provide plenty of storage and comfort for a highly enjoyable cruise. If you're interested in a full ship tour of the Discovery Princess, then all you need to do is click here. And you might even consider hitting that little notification bell if you're interested in some of Destination for Vacation's upcoming tour videos of other cruise ships. Thanks for joining me today.